Your liver is the only organ in your body that can completely regenerate itself, but most of us are pushing that miracle to its absolute limit every single day. We often think of liver damage as something that only happens to people who drink too much alcohol, but there is a silent epidemic growing that has nothing to do with the bar. In fact, many people are walking around with a liver that is struggling to function, and they have no idea because the liver is a silent worker that rarely complains until the damage is already severe. If you've been feeling unusually tired, noticing a bit of a gut that won't go away, or even just feeling off after meals, your liver might be trying to send you a flare. The biggest confusion today is that we focus on the symptoms like high blood pressure or weight gain without looking at the central laboratory of the body that's actually failing. Modern medicine often calls this metabolic dysfunction, but in plain language, it's a liver that has become so packed with fat and toxins that it can no longer filter your blood effectively. We are living in a world of overnutrition, which sounds like a good thing until you realize it actually means we are drowning our cells in refined sugars and industrial seed oils. These aren't just extra calories, they are metabolic stressors that hammer the liver hardcore, especially high fructose corn syrup, which the liver has to process in a way that is almost identical to alcohol. Think of your liver like a filter in a high-performance engine. When that filter gets clogged with sludge from processed breads, pastas, and hidden sugars, the whole engine starts to overheat. This is where most people get discouraged because they are told to avoid the very foods that could actually help them. You've likely been told to stay away from red meat or eggs if you have liver concerns, but those recommendations are often based on flawed observational studies that don't account for the fries and soda people eat alongside them. In reality, your liver needs specific nutrients to repair itself and move that fat out of its tissues. One of the most powerful tools for a liver reset isn't a complicated medication, but a simple, natural combination of ingredients you can find in any grocery store. To support your liver's natural detoxification process, you need to provide it with sulfur-rich compounds and antioxidants that help it neutralize toxins. A highly effective natural detox drink involves blending fresh beets, a bit of ginger, and lemon. Beets contain betalains, which help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve the flow of bile, the substance your liver uses to carry away waste. Ginger adds a layer of protection against oxidative stress, while lemon provides a boost of vitamin C to help flush out the system. Consuming a juice like this, especially when paired with a reduction in refined carbohydrates, gives your liver the breathing room it needs to start healing. When you remove the constant influx of sugar and replace it with liver-supporting nutrients, the results can be surprisingly fast. Many people find that within just a few weeks of focusing on liver health, their energy levels stabilize and that heavy, bloated feeling in their midsection begins to lift. It's not about a quick fix or a 24-hour miracle. It's about shifting the environment of your body so your liver can do the job it was designed to do. Taking care of your liver is one of the best investments you can make for your long-term health and longevity. It affects your skin, your hormones, your brain clarity, and your metabolism. Aging doesn't have to mean a slow decline in energy and a growing waistline. It can mean becoming more in tune with what your body needs to thrive. Small, consistent changes in what you put into your body can lead to massive shifts in how you feel every single day. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever tried a liver cleanse, or do you notice certain foods make you feel sluggish? Leave a comment with your experience. And if you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe so we can keep sharing these health insights with you.